ma va? Oh, mi sta dicendo cosa?
Italy has recently been experiencing some extreme conditions. Just when temperatures soared to a scorching 47 degrees Celsius, the skies unleashed their fury in the form of storms. And what's more, a devastating tornado ripped through the country's northwest, leaving destruction in its wake.
Ornado! Cosa sta alzando?
Especially in the densely populated city of Milan. Before this tempestuous turn, Italy had been basking in days of unprecedentedly hot weather. Tourists and locals alike sought refuge indoors during the blistering daytime hours. Iconic attractions stood eerily deserted, and British travelers, unable to bear the heat, canceled their trips and fled from sweltering hotels. As the tornado wreaked havoc in the Lombardy region, specifically in Cernusco, Sul, Naviglio, and Gessate, firefighters sprang into action. They were called to around 110 incidents, offering aid and relief to those affected. It's not all just property damage, though. There are reports of injuries, and the European Storm Forecast Experiment has issued an extremely bad weather warning for all of northern Italy, raising the alert level to the maximum. Local press in Bergamo reported winds reaching a staggering 200 kilometers per hour, and several individuals have been listed as seriously injured.